Okay, this is Fisher number 2. This is the one that uses the extra IF tube, and this uses one more stage of IF, and it doesn't have the hard to get 6HS6. I've got the same antenna, and I'm demonstrating the tuning difficulties I'm having with this set. I even tried putting the other tuning eye in just to make sure that nothing weird was going on there, which I didn't think there was, but I wanted to check it anyway. This is a really bright tuning eye, by the way. But as you can see, the signal strength's pretty good. There's off channel. I don't have the speakers, so I'm just using the headset. And you can see when I tune in, the tuning eye, this is, I'm going to put it in mono. Watch what happens, okay. Tuning eye all the way off, I come on chase station. Good closure for the mono reception. All it's very steady, and it closes the eye quite a bit from the fully open there. And with the sound on through the headset and through the speakers, of course, sounds good. I mean, it doesn't sound like it's got any problem. I don't have any hiss in it. It's nice and quiet. That's one of the more distant stations. But all these I was able to get with the other set too. Now, watch what happens when I click into the stereo mode. Bang. Crazy modulation. Now I'll try to do the best I can to tune that out. It's just not having it. That's there's another strong station right over here. I've got a really strong station. Again, if I'm very careful with the tuning, that's about as good as I can get. Well, right about there. Now let's watch the mono stereo beacon. So you can see, I mean, with a station that strong, you would think that stereo beam would close right up. And I'm still getting some modulation. And the sound isn't that good. It's really hard to get clean stereo. Try other stations a few more. It's just very hard to get a good stereo signal there. Click the mono, it's fine. I have a feeling the RF and the IF is probably pretty good on this set. And maybe the 19 kilohertz pilot tone is just not tuned properly at all. Give me a really weak pilot signal which would trigger the stereo beam to close all the way. Try a few more. That's about as good as it gets right there. That must be a really strong station. It still won't close up. And again, here's mono. I mean, that should just slam shut. I still have the mono. Let me put it up in stereo. Well, this is a station I could get. I can't get the stereo beacon. And look at this. So this is interesting. That's on the stereo mode. It closes up more when it's off the stereo mode. I don't remember the other one doing that ever. So I don't know what's going on here. It's almost like the pilot signal is weakening the eye close. Here we go. It's another fairly strong station. It's as good as I can get. There it is, mono. There it is, stereo. Won't close up much, and it's modulating. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go do the full setup. I'll start by making sure that the IF is peaked up like it should be, and it's on 10.7 clearly. And then I'm going to scope the pilot signal, the 19 kilohertz pilot signal, and tweak up this can right here, top and bottom, for the best pilot. Let's see what we can do with this set. But this just ain't making it.